Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. And it is Spirit Week. Did you wear pajamas yesterday? And are you wearing summer sun clothes today? I haven't got out my sunglasses. Do you have sunglasses on? Well, boys and girls, do you think Mrs. Grubin can teach with sunglasses all morning? I don't think so. So we'll have to set them aside and I'll put on my real glasses. How about that? But hopefully the sun will shine later today. Right now it's not looking real promising, but we'll see. Boys and girls, for our morning, let's make sure you start out with your Pete the Cat number chart and your hundreds chart and your dry erase board. And also make sure you have your All About the Number 14 book. Okay, we're going to work on this together today. And can you also have your preschool pencil and a dry erase marker? Okay. Boys and girls, yesterday we practiced our left and right hand. Now it's a little confusing sometimes for me to teach you left and right because when I am facing you, my right hand is right here. It's the opposite. And my left hand is right here. It's the opposite. But look what happens when I turn around and face my hands, just like you're facing our right and left hand. It works. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. And we can always remember left because it makes an L, right? And here's our right hand, and our right hand is the one we use to put our hand over our heart. Should we practice our pledges in Star Spangled Banner? Put your right hand over your heart, and let's begin our day.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's sing. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? And now, keep your right hand on your heart and let's say our pledge to the cross. I pledge allegiance to the cross of our Lord Jesus Christ and to the faith for which it stands, one Savior eternal, with mercy and grace for all. Boys and girls, hopefully you have on your fun summer sun clothes today. I'm wearing some of my summer sun clothes, but you know what? It's cold out, so I still needed my jacket. And you know what? Even though I have on my summer capri pants, I still need my slippers on. Do you have your slippers on? And you know what else I need? I still need my cup of hot tea. Remember my tea that I drink every day? I'm still drinking it because it's still kind of chilly out. Well, boys and girls, let's see here if we can take a look at our calendar. First of all, we need to mark our tallies. Boys and girls, let's add a tally for today's day. There we go. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 days we've been learning from home. 19 is a 1 and a 9. 19 days. Boys and girls, let's see what it looks like here on our calendar. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Is 28 a red apple or a green apple? Red apple. Very good. Red apple. Very good. Now, boys and girls, let's see here. Let's figure out what our last day in April is going to be, because we are at the end of our month. The last day in April is the 30th. Let's think about what day the 30th will be. Count it from 28. 28, 29, 30. In fact, this Thursday is the last day in April. And then we'll be in our 5th month. What is our 5th month? May. That's right. In fact, Friday will be May 1st. We call May 1st May Day. It's the day we celebrate the arrival of our beautiful spring, and hopefully we'll have some beautiful spring weather. We think about giving people cards on May Day and giving people flowers on May Day to show our excitement over the new spring, over the new season that God has given us. So Friday will be May Day. That's May 1st. Follow my finger. Tuesday. Yes, it is. Let's hang up our Tuesday card. Today is Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. Yes. Boys and girls, let's clap out the syllables in Tuesday. Tuesday. Do it again. Tuesday. How many times did we clap? 2, right? Yes, we did. Tuesday has 2 syllables. Now let's try Wednesday. It's longer. I think it's going to be 3. Let's see. Wednesday. Let's try that again. Wednesday. Only 2 syllables for Wednesday as well. Very good. Now listen to my sentence. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Say that with me. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Now, boys and girls, I had showed you a while ago my rebus book. And if you remember, a rebus is when we build words with pictures. Do you remember? I showed you this rebus. So what word are they trying to show us with pictures? Sun plus glasses. Sun, glasses. Sunglasses. That's what I was wearing. Do you have your sunglasses on? Let's see what the next one is. Remember this rebus? 2 plus lips. Get rid of the plus now. We're just gonna say the pictures. 2 lips. Read it faster. 2lips. Tulips. Yes, I'm waiting for my tulips to bloom. I have them in my front yard and they are not quite ready yet. Maybe by Mother's Day. Boys and girls, do you remember this one? Let's give it a try. We'll leave out the plus this time. We just look at the pictures. Ear, ring. Ear, ring. Earring. Earring. Yes, that's our rebus. Now let's see if we can take a look at some of these over here. Let's give this one a try. Boys and girls, let's see the pictures. Here's a cob of corn. Let's call it cob. Cob, web. Cobweb. Cobweb. Maybe you're helping your mom get all the cobwebs out of your house. Is your house dusty? Mine is. Now let's try this one. What is here? You know what? We have to look at what he's pointing at. He's pointing at his belly. Belly button. Belly button. Yes. Our belly button. Now let's try this one. Another one with a sun. Let's give it a try. Sun, flower. Sunflower. Yeah, we'll see those at the end of our summer. Big sunflowers that are taller than you and me. That would be fun. Those are rebuses. Very good, boys and girls. Well, let's think about our weather. Boys and girls, you know what? We were so hoping for our Spirit Week that you'd have sunny skies for our Fun in the Sun Day. But I'm thinking it's going to be cloudy today, just like yesterday. And I'm thinking we might get some rain too, just like yesterday. Let's spell rainy. Boys and girls, I'd like you to get out your board. Okay? And get out your dry erase marker. And I want you to write rainy while I spell it with our letters. Let's do it. Here we go. What's the first letter? R. Can you write an R without picking up your pencil? What comes after R? A. There's my A. Can you write an A without picking up your pencil? Very good. What comes after A? I, with a sprinkle on top. What comes after I? N, rain. Can you make an N without picking up your pencil? Rain. Now how are we going to turn rain into rainy? Add a Y. And boys and girls, can you make your I? That goes all the way underneath. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to write rainy, just like you did. Let's see if I can follow my directions. R, I'm not going to pick up my pencil. A, I didn't pick up my pencil. I, with a sprinkle on top. And I'm not going to pick up my pencil. I guess I should say marker, shouldn't I? And now my Y. Slant down to the right, slant left, give it a tail. Boys and girls, if you need to, erase your board again and see if you can write rainy, okay? Very good, boys and girls. And if it's rainy today, I don't think our temperature's gone up much. Let's see what our temperature says. Our our temperature says 45 degrees. Get out your hundreds chart, let's go find it. 45. Get my marker here. And let's go down to our 40s row. Ones, teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Can you circle 45? And boys and girls, it's a fives number. Remember when we were counting by fives before? Let's see if we can do that now. Start with 5 and count every fifth number. Let's circle them as we count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's stop there. And 45 is our temperature. 45 comes between 40 and 50. It's right in the middle. Let's take a look here. Boys and girls, we're going to bring our thermometer down just a little bit and put it right in the middle of 40 and 50. That shows 45. Now let's take a look at our mystery numbers. I'm going to close my marker for a minute. And let's take a look at this mystery number. What number is hiding in my teens row behind my card? What number comes after 13? The 1 stays the same, and the next number gets bigger by 1. So 13 turns into 14. That's our number this week. That's our number, and let's see. Did they make the 4 the right way? Down, slide right, and cut it in 2? Yes, they did. Good. Boys and girls, I want you to put an X over your 14. Now, let's see if we can find the letter buddy that has the same numbers. Instead of 1 and 4, it has a 4 and 1. Well, if it has a 4 and 1, it'd be in the 40s. Let's see. There it is. Put an X over that one. Can you draw a line from 14 to 41? They're, I'm sorry, I call them letter buddies. Number buddies. They're number buddies. Let's give this a try. What number comes right after 35? Keep the 3, and the 5 gets bigger by 1. 35 turns into 36. Give it an X, friends. Now let's find its number buddy. I'm goofing, friends. Can you find, now instead of 36, find 63? Let's go down to the 60s. 61, 62, 63. There's the number buddy. And now let's draw a line from 36 to 63. Now let's go way down here. This is our 80s row. 81, 82, 83, 84. That's what was hiding. Cross it out, friends. And now let's see if we can find its number buddy. But instead of 84, it's going to be 48. 48. Let's go to our 40s. Can you find 48? Yes, we found it. Cross it out, friends. And now draw a line from 48 to 84. Good job, boys and girls. Do you remember? Why do we have O, E, O, E? Because that reminds us of our odd and even numbers. Let's read our odd numbers with the O above. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now let's read our even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very good. Our number this week is all about the number 14. Make your 1. And now let's sing and make our number 4. Down, slide, right 10, cut it in 2. Did you do it? That's how we make the number 4. Do we make the number 4 like that? No. Let's spell 14. F. You make your F. O. You make your O. U. R. Don't pick up your marker. T. E with a corner. E with a corner. N. Always ends in teen. Our numbers right now. Now let's make our smiley faces, not X's for 14. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep going, 11, 12, 13, 14. We did it. Now let's make our tally marks. Are you ready, boys and girls? Make our bundles of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Made your bundle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make your second bundle. 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how tally marks look like for 14. And now circle your 14 on your number line. That's the other way to make a 14. And the number before 14 is 13. 1, 3. Did you do it? And the number after 14 is 15. 1, 5. Did you do it? Boys and girls, now I would like you to find your number book for 14 that looks just like this, okay? We're going to work on it together today. I just want to remind you that it's important that we make our numbers neatly, and I think if we work on it together, that'll maybe help. So, boys and girls, make sure you have your preschool pencil and your number book. Let's do it together. Write your name at the top. Remember, capital letter for your first letter, lowercase for the rest of them. I wrote Mrs. Gruben. And there we see 14 turtles. Here we go. Boys and girls, let's trace. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. If you want to write a number, then you better remember to start at the top. Let's trace. Start at the top. Uh-oh, I got off the track. Hop right back on. Boys and girls, make sure you're pushing hard enough so that your lines are straight. If you don't push very hard, they get wobbly. Now let's trace again. Some of our tracing is a little tricky to see. Make sure you've got the lights on. Boys and girls, are your tracing 14s nice and neat? I bet they are. I'm excited to see them when you bring them with your other activities on Friday. How's it look? Turn the page. Boys and girls, let's read the directions. Draw 14 moons. Let's do it together. I'm going to make a C and then a little C inside. C and a little C inside. C. How do your moons look? I'm going to make some of mine full moons. I'm going to make some of mine half moons. It's like a half circle, isn't it? Stop. I'm going to count mine to make sure I have all 14, and you count yours to make sure you have all 14. "14 moons." Good listening. Now let's turn the page. I hope you're staying with me. Boys and girls, the next direction says, how many? Let's count. Count our turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And how do we make 14? 1 and a 4. Down, slide right. Cut it in 2. There are 14 turtles. Turn the page. Now we're going to trace the word 14, just like we wrote on our Pete the Cat board. Sorry, friends, if it's hard to see the beginning of your letters. No, it didn't copy real well. Let's push nice and hard so we can see what we're doing. F, O, U, that next letter is a U. R, don't pick up your pencil. T, E, E, N. 14. Let's do it again. Boys and girls, am I writing fast or slow? I'm writing slow so that I stay on the line. Make sure your letters are starting at the top. Even though we don't have a starting point, our letters always start at the top. And our E's always have corners. And my N is a hump without picking up my pencil. Good. Turn the page. Let's see what we do next. Boys and girls, let's read the directions. Circle the group with 14. Let's count our first group. You count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 seals. Well, we don't even need to count this group because we already found out the first group has 14. Circle it just like I did. Turn the page. Now you're going to color in 14 seals. But you know what, boys and girls? Remember, this is a pencil book. We're going to instead circle 14 seals. Let's circle and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, just like our smiley faces on our Pete the Cat board. Turn the page. And now you're going to go on a number hunt. I'm not going to hold up my board because I want you to figure out how many 14s you can find. Put an X over each number 14, okay? And I'll tell you how many you should find. Boys and girls, do you notice that some of the 14s make their 4s the other way? Still count them. You should find 10 number 14s in all. I didn't show you mine because I want you to do that all by yourself. But you should have 10 14s crossed out. Do you think you can do that? I'm glad we were able to do this together today. I'm anxious to see your book when you bring it back on Friday. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.